Hello everyone and welcome back to your own YouTube channel Med for All. If you people are in search that what are the indications for heparin-free dialysis, then you are on the right place. But before further going on the video, I would request all of you, if you are first time on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. So here we will discuss the indications in which we have to do heparin-free dialysis. Now the question arises, how we can do the heparin-free dialysis. I have made a separate video on heparin-free dialysis whose link will be given in the description. So here we will discuss the indications of heparin-free dialysis. So the first contraindication is pericarditis, that the patient has gone some inflammation of the pericardium, then and on auscultation there is a pericardial rub. It is a contraindication of heparin. We have to do heparin-free dialysis. The second major contraindication is that patient has gone some recent surgery with active bleeding. Their surgery might be vascular or cardiac surgery, some eye surgery, that may be cataract, and some parathyroidectomy, or some have gone some kind of transplant, and these are the contraindications. And the next contraindication is coagulopathy, that the patient has such a condition that the blood of the patient is not being coagulated in proper time. It is coagulopathy. And the other contraindication is thrombocytopenia, in which the platelet count has been decreased. It will become less than 1,50,000. It is the contraindication of heparin. And if there is some recent active bleeding, and that bleeding might be from upper GI or lower GI, then it is also a contraindication. And in some centers they practice heparin-free dialysis for acute dialysis, that the patient is going to have the dialysis for the first time. They usually do the heparin-free dialysis. So these were the some few contraindications in which we have to do heparin-free dialysis. I hope you would like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.